every Home Depot looks just a bit the same. So you gotta find this section. Yes, you can shop for some Fresco materials at Home Depot. And I'm going to show you now how. Because I got a lot of questions about it. And a lot of people asking how do you find sand or how do you find this. Okay, this is how you do it. See, in this section you have a bunch of different boxes and bags, and some of them have sand. For example, if you can find anything here, it's called erosion control sand. Look, that's how it looks, just like that, regular sand. Or you can go keep looking further where they have more. And Maya is gonna help me find some of that. All right, let's keep going. You know, every Home Depot looks just about the same. So you got this section, so that's where you need to go. Don't ask anyone, most of them they don't know what you're asking about. So you gotta come to this section and start looking. Well, I walked all the way down this big opening alley and I couldn't find any other sand. So let's turn the corner. Oh, there we go. We came right here. That's where the sand is. So you see, here you got two sands. One of them called clay sand, and the other one is called all-purpose sand. So what you need is an all-purpose sand. Doesn't matter which brand it is. You really don't want to get a clay sand because it doesn't have all of the grades of sand. And you do need all of the grades, from very little to very, to the largest one, including the powder. So I will go for all-purpose sand, and that's what you need to find. Oh, and I missed before that. This is the sand I will go. It's called washed plaster sand. But like I said, the East Coast has a problem, so sometimes you can just find only right next to it, all just next shelf, is the practice line. See, it's different. On the East Coast you have a different brand, but it doesn't matter, it's still in the same area. It's logical, that's where the contractors get it. East Coast has a bit of a problem, so you can get it from the Fresco shop here. And you can view more about making practice lime in our other video, but here is a section of colorants for the stucco. What they are essentially a natural pigments. And different building supply material stores have different selections, so you can actually get some pigments right here while we're buying sand, just to get it started. Oh, you see, I found the tubs. They're right here, right? Look at that. Again, tools are there in the corner. Sand's right here. Every Home Depot is organized pretty much about the same. That's where we started, and you can see way back there are tools. I didn't notice them the first time, but they're just right the same where you have all this plaster stuff. Maybe sometimes they're right next to the sand, but whatever it is, it's in this area. So here are the tools you're looking for. Well, apparently it looks like they're out of midget trowels. You need 3x8, but you can get it at the Fresco shop or just go to a different Home Depot. You also need a gauge trowel, and those there are. They're called margin trowels here, well, also a gauge. So you need the longer one. See, that's the 6-inch. They sell them, and the smaller ones, like this, that will do too. All right, then for the tile. Here you go to flooring and you look for the tiles. You want to get the cheapest one because they're the most absorbent. And right next to it you'll find this one, 78 cents per square foot. That's about it. Look, it's supposed to look like this. Look at that. That's yeah, there's another set. See, those ones are 75 cents or whatever it is, but this is a good tile. See, that's 12 by 12 inch. It looks like that. Look at that, 68 cents a piece. red back, very absorbent, and they come in different sizes. They come 16 by 16 inch, 18 by 18 inch, and 12 by 12 inch.